What it is, guys, we are back at it, dude. This is all they had up there today. These boxes are going like crazy right now. We're definitely going to be going into bidding online on some boxes and whatnot, but if that don't work out for us, we will be just going straight out and just buying them. But let's see what we get. Let's see what the first pack's hiding for us. Got some Samira, Gohan. Already pulled one of these, dude. Definitely would like to have another one of these in my deck. Liking that. Ooh. Really like that Vegeta. Here we go. Look at that Goku Black. Liking that. And Vegeta Bulma, joined by Fate. Nice. Got us a Demigra Unison. Not bad. There's a Pillow. Power Monger. Another Demigra. There's a Gilda. And Goku's Pal Oolong. Not bad. Bulma. Pilaf's Castle. Pilaf's Machine. Yamcha. Not bad. Zordon. Very nice. Puar. Another mirror. There we go. Liking that. Nice little Son Goku. And Goku and Hit, Supreme Alliance. Very nice. Mercenary Toe. Need another one of them. Very nice. Vegeta. It's a Jiren. Another Tragedy Underground. Very nice. Power Monger. Ooh, Burning Impact like that. Very nice. Peel-off Machine. That's a Frieza. Furious Strike Son Goku. Very nice. Burning Camus, Mira, Sun Goten. Look at that. Very nice. Dark Death Ball. Sweet. Last pack, guys. Shinron. This is demo. Super Saiyan 2 Trunks. Got a Civic X. Ginyu. And we got us a Shinron Unison of Rescue. Very nice. Very nice. Not bad at all, guys. Got our 2 Unison cards. Got us a Shinron Unison. Very nice. Got a Ginyu Leader. Goten, Burning Attack. Got us a Son Goku. Vegeta and Bulma. Goku and Hit. Peel Off Machine. Gildo. Got us a nice little Goku Black. And the Warrior That Crossed Time, Vegeta. We will be back, man. Like I said, we're going to be ordering some boxes. So stay tuned.